So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com, and once again, I have this gorgeous 1967 Ford Mustang in a Eleanor pepper gray color. Just got out of the paint shop. Very nice setup all around the car. This one is priced to sell, folks. As you can see, I'm going to do a walk around on the vehicle and then get a little bit closer, and I'm going to share with you everything about the vehicle. Okay, first and foremost, great stance on the car. Okay, there is no rust on this little pony car. All right, the pink color is, you know, popular because of the Eleanor. This is an Eleanor gray, pepper gray. A couple different people label it a couple different ways, so I will label it both ways. Nice grille. Chrome bumpers are in really good condition. As you can see, the chin spoiler. Nice black 5-star torque thrust like wheels throughout. Black vinyl top. Now this here, this is a decal that runs across the fender to the door to the rear quarter. That is removable if you guys don't like, you know, how that looks on the Mustang. I think it ties in the car pretty nice. Nice vinyl top has been replaced. Door handles appear to look in new condition. The mirror looks original to the car because it does have some pitting. Cool vent windows. Nice glass on the windshield. But there is a small little chip on there. Okay, so when I go back here, just so you see the size of it, it's there, you know, but it's not really a big deal to me. But anyway, isn't that cool? Wipers there, they do function. Like I said, brand new wheels on the car. Manual drum brakes all around. Car does stop well. Nice rear chrome like new bumper, dual exhaust. Bezels look good on the car. This lens here has been pushed in, so there is a little crack here. Okay, I will order one on eBay and get that installed. Aftermarket gas tank filler right here. Looks pretty cool. Let me pop the trunk for you guys. Oh, okay. Gotta be careful there. So, brand new gas tank. Everything does look good. There was a little work done on this quarter here. Okay, but it is, they did a beautiful job. I mean, it is straight. No waves on that quarter, and same on this quarter. Bodywork was done really nice on that car. Trunk lid is done nice. Here's your trunk mat that I took out of the car, and then the spare that goes with the Mustang. Underneath, very dry. Dual exhaust looks brand new on the car. Multi-leaf springs. Passenger side quarter window. I think there's window tint on it. So that can be removed, but it's there right now. Nice Door jambs, rockers are solid. Really nice door panels. The interior, the door panels and the seat covers are brand new. Well, they look brand new. Weather stripping is decent. Vertical trim is good. There's your antenna. So, you've seen the trunk, you've seen the outside. Let's check out some of the interior features. Factory C code car, so this was a factory 289 car. Very nice. There's your driver's seat. Six by 9s in the package tray. All right, now let's check out the engine compartment. And then we'll go back and talk about each body panel on the vehicle. To open up the hood, is right underneath here, just pull it upward in one hand. Okay. Very clean engine compartment. 289. There's your power steering right there. Brand new carb 4-barrel. Ford racing valve covers, new coil, new ignition, good battery, good alternator. Under the hood is clean. All right, so let's walk it a little bit more carefully now. Eyebrows look great on the car. I don't see any scratches on the Mustang, okay? Anywhere, no bubbling in the paint. Nice, smooth, slick all around. No chips anywhere on the car, no dings, okay? Same on the passenger side throughout. All right, you see there's no chips there, anything like that. So there you have it, folks. My little 67 Mustang, rust-free little car with a 289 C4 automatic and power steering. So let me fire it up. All right. Currently, Mustang is showing 51,385 miles. Let's fire it up really quick. Right here. Tape deck. It turns on, but I can't get it to work. Let's listen to it really quick. Oh, let me get that door to close. Okay. Fresh aluminum intake as well. Sounds good. This baby wants to go. So as you guys and gals know, and if you don't know, I go through the cars, okay, as if you were here, the best that I can. These are old cars. They're 50-plus-year-old cars. They're not perfect, okay? But this is a nice 67 Ford Mustang. I travel the country to look for them, okay? And I travel to look for all of these too in my collection, okay? And there's probably another 50 in that room back there. And I look at, 5 or 6 of these before I pick one, okay? And I picked this one because it's got a great foundation. Underneath is solid. Please refer to the photos, very solid. The paint is new. Vinyl top is new. The seats are new. The door panels are new. The engine, I was told, is a fresh motor to the vehicle. We don't know how many miles, okay? But by driving it, I'm gonna say probably under 5,000 miles, all right? So that said, if any of you guys need delivery, go get a pen. I'm gonna give you my number. I'm gonna need your zip code, okay? Let's get to the financing. I have 3 different levels of financing for my classic cars. Level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is if your credit score is 700 and above, 7 to 800s. That's level 1. That gets you a loan with better rates than level 2 and 3, competitive rates, best rate on the market actually, with no money down option if you desire. If your credit score, which is level 2, if your credit score is between, let's say 650 to 699, you're gonna need about 10% down, okay? And that's gonna get you a good rate for a classic car, but you'll need 10% down. Level 3, if your credit score is 600 to a 649, you're gonna need 10 to 20% down on the financing. Okay, so again, 3 packages for my financing. Now for the delivery, my number is area code 847-848-1850. Call me, text me, email me your zip code, and I will send you a quote for delivery. You can ship this in an open carrier or an enclosed carrier. It's up to you. If it were me, it would go in an enclosed carrier because the quality of the paint, it's new, it's expensive, it's not cheap to do. So that's on you, okay? If you guys are watching this on Facebook, like my page. Go to MGM Classic Cars and like the page. That way, any new vehicle I get in is gonna be on your newsfeed, and share it with your friends, okay? If you're watching this on YouTube or not, go to YouTube, bottom right-hand corner, click the subscribe red button. So that way, when I put a new video out, you're gonna get a message on your smartphone, okay? So that said, here we are, guys, at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. This is my 1967 Ford Mustang that has been gone through with a Eleanor pepper gray paint, recent new vinyl top, same with the bucket seats and the 289 C4 with the power steering. Now, not every car is perfect. Every car has a punch list. And I'm gonna show you that punch list, okay? And those are the things that are open and need to be taken care of on this car. Before I deliver this car to you, I will take care of all of the items on the punch list, okay? But my price on this car is $26,500. I'm firm on the price, and I will include all of the punch list things that I'm gonna do to it. So, getting to that punch list is right here, okay? First and foremost, check the headlights, okay? Make sure they all function. The driver's side tail light is not working. I will fix that. I'm gonna check the brake lights. I'm gonna check the turn signals, the speedometer, the horn. I'm gonna tighten up the temp gauge. It's a little loose, and make sure it works. And I'm gonna check the RPM tach, and I know that works because I checked it. So all of those things will be in working order on the car, okay? Listen, if you're gonna buy a car from me, okay, great. I am a reputable dealer, a reputable seller on eBay 100%, okay? I have great reviews. Check me out, I have great reviews. And that's because I go through these cars and I go through a punch list, a checklist, and I fix those items before you get the car. That way, you go in the car, put gas, go, have a great time, okay? Enjoy your solid future investments. This is why you should be buying a car from mgmclassiccars.com. And if you don't, if this is not your color, or if it's not something that I have in my inventory, whoever you buy from, guys, please check their reviews. It's very important. You want to know where you're spending your money and what you're spending your money on. So again, my name is Thomas. I'm at mgmclassiccars.com. My number again is 847-848-1850. Thank you once again for watching. Have a great day.